Okay, so we have an amazing color wheel, and now we have to figure out what are we going to do with this color wheel. So you can see here some compositions some sixth graders have made with their color wheels, and basically we're going to make an arrangement with our color wheel. So to begin with, we're going to cut out our color wheel that we did. We've got our primary and our secondary colors. So then, once we have our color wheel cut out, then we're going to fold it in half. Once we fold it in half, we're going to make 6 or 7 little half circle cuts. And if you want to draw your cuts out first, go right ahead. Make some of your cuts big and thick, and maybe make some of your cuts thin so that you have a variety of circles when you're done. Then, once you've got 6 or 7 circles cut, half circles that we unfold to circles, then you're going to arrange them on your paper. So here you can see I have all my circles, and I'm going to arrange them. And remember, an arrangement of shapes, lines, colors, or patterns is called a composition, just like in music. So I'm overlapping my shapes, creating a composition. Now that I think I have my composition about the way I want it, I'm going to get a glue sponge to glue with. Now, when I use my glue sponge, I want to flip it upside down because that's where all the sticky goes. So I want to push really hard on the sticky sponge with my paper, hold for about 5 seconds so that it sticks well to the paper. Then, once you have this all done, it's probably a good idea to just let this dry for a day and then come back the next day. And you can see here from the other examples that students have made, we can draw radiating lines in our negative space. We can draw thick lines, thin lines. We can draw patterns in our space, all sorts of stuff that will make an interesting composition.